Guys, we're here today at Wedgwood Heights Subdivision, boundary of Santa Rosa, Laguna, and Silang, Cavite. For those who are not familiar, this is beside Ayala West Grove, Tokyo Mansion, Bali Mansion, and South Forbes. Now, we will show you one of our listing inside. Let's go. This corner lot is a 591 square meter, facing northwest, gradual downhill with pocket garden. Wedgwood Heights is exclusive and high-end subdivision with wide road and electrical underground cable. It was developed by San Miguel Corporation with almost same community as Ayala West Grove, which is also near here. Accessibility, 3 minutes drive, Calax exit and Nubali. 7 minutes drive, Mamplasan Esclex. 30 minutes drive to Metro Manila. 20 minutes drive to Tagaytay area. And now, let's look at the amenities of this subdivision. This is the clubhouse. Playground, tennis court, and basketball court. Swimming pool, so, for those who are interested on this lot, you may reach us here on this number or on this page. Don't forget to like our videos. And again, this is Philstar Krishna. Have a good one, guys.